Hey viewers, welcome to Sex Zone. I hope you guys all are well. In this video, I am going to test GoPro Hero 10, the most latest version of GoPro. Now, today's date is 18th October 2021. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. In this video, I am going to show about GoPro Hero 10, the action camera latest launched by GoPro. I am showing the shots of some trees which are from in a country. I want to see the green effect of GoPro, the wide angle of GoPro. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Watch the video till the end. So hey viewers, watch the video till the end. The contrast, the saturation, the brusting, everything is I am telling in this video. I hope you guys will enjoying this video. Please watch till the end. It's none of edit, raw video, only raw video, 0% editing video this will be. Yeah, if you want more about GoPro videos, please comment below. If you like the video, please press the like button under the video. Any kind of question, any kind of confusion, any kind of inquiry, please comment below. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe this channel for more GoPro videos, video tests, different cameras video tests, and even I am going to tell in next some companies review and some so viewers, please subscribe our channel, because after now I am making video about earning dollar from home. My next video will be about this: make dollar from home, from any country. Please subscribe this channel. You can earn dollar from any country. It's not only freelancing. There will be many ways I am going to tell you. Please subscribe this channel. Please watch the video till the end. I am going to move, and I hope you guys will enjoy this video. There are some flowers. I hope you guys will see. The sky view, the aerial view, the compost view, I'm telling you, focusing, awesome, just awesome. Just see these things, awesome. One flower there, awesome. Awesome. The flower is moving, and the video shoot is awesome. Okay viewers, you must watch this video. If you like the video, please press the like button, comment below any kind of queries, and must subscribe this channel. Must subscribe, please subscribe. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Please watch the video till the end. Like, comment and subscribe. GoPro Hero 10 video test. GoPro Hero 10 video sample. GoPro Hero 10 video shoot. Watch video till the end. You guys will must enjoy. Please like our video. Any kind of queries, any kind of question, please subscribe our channel and comment below any kind of question, queries, everything. Must don't forget to subscribe Sack Zone, because there is coming exciting videos in Sack Zone. Subscribe the video, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon. So we will end this video here. Goodbye viewers.